On Tuesday, like, what you doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay, hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by 8:50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, cash out for sale. Matter of fact, scratch that, I'ma see you a stack. Just
It's giving scale.
And I told him, well, thank you, babe.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart.
Hey y'all, it's Keke Royalty and I'm back with our next video. So before we even get into the video, make sure to say like, comment, share, subscribe, watch the ads, turn that bell on so when I drop a new video, I get notified. As I can see by the title, I'll be installing this 18-inch lace front wig for y'all. So who don't know how to install wigs, I am going to teach you. So this is friendly beginner. First thing we are going to do is we are going to brush back our edges. I'm gonna use a jam. I'm just gonna use a little, brush it back. That's all you need. Use your head brush and brush it back. After you brush it back, you are going to use your transparent, your wig cap. Make sure you have this color. You want it to look like your natural hair. So you're going to put on the cap down in your face. Make sure you have your hair back. You're going to use the scissors to cut out a small hole. You're going to use this spray. I use this spray, the black one, because it holds. So you're going to spray it near the hairline. I'm going to use my finger and put it here. So you're going to put it close to your hairline because remember we are going for a melted look, a natural look. And now we are going to blow dry that baby. We are going to spray a next layer. So basically I'm going to spray 5 layers so it can completely stick. So just watch the process. Dry, and now we are going to cut the lace. When you cut it, you are going to cut it as clean as possible, guys. We're going to cut this in the back so you can tie it. Now you're going to spray over back it again one more time. Yeah, it's giving scalp, baby. Look. Yeah. Now you're going to use your foundation or anything that you have to match your skin tone. I don't know if this is going to match my skin tone, but let's try. So I'm gonna put it in the center because this is where the middle part is going to be. So you're going to rub it like this and put it down like that. I'm gonna try and make it look natural as possible for y'all. So boom, your girl is done. It's giving scalp. What do you think? Comment down below if it's giving scalp, if it's giving natural. So when I fling on this wig, y'all, it's gonna look natural. You are going to wipe off the excessive glue and makeup off your face so you can put the wig on properly. But first, before we do that, we are going to color the wig inside. See, this is the lace. Same color that I use, I'm gonna use it colored lace. So after you finish color, it's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be even scalp. I'm gonna put it on and matches where it's gonna be. Don't mind this match. It's gonna fix up, but place it where you want it to be. It's going to be right here. I use the comb it back. we are going to spray again around the line. Oh shit. So just watch me. It depends on how much time you want to spray, but I'm gonna spray it 3 more times. So when you're blow drying it, you're not supposed to make it dry completely because the wig is going to be on it. We're gonna set the wig. I'm not gonna put it way down in my forehead. I'm gonna put it right here, center. We're gonna put it to dry. See, look, we gonna put it to dry. We coming back. We're gonna tie it down, y'all. So right now it ties down. We are going to push the hair back and we are going to hot comb it. It have to look shiny, it have to look sleek, it have to look everything fine. And this is the center part, as you can see, but we'll have to do that when the band is off. So yeah, we are going to hot comb it while it rests. We are going to rest it for 20 minutes or less than that until it dries. Guys, don't burn yourself doing this. Ooh, so yo, your girl is coming, baby. If you hear my baby in the background, she's hiccuping. But yeah, I gave her some water. I finished hot combing. I put a little oil in it to, you know, to give it that shine. The minute it's up, we are going to take off this right now. Hopefully it dries. Okay, 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 y'all. Okay. Oh, so we're gonna comb it back so we can see what we're going up against. So okay, y'all, it's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, watch the ads, turn that bell on. Okay, y'all. So we took our edges out, as you can see, and we are going to cut our edges. I'm going to cut it this way. Yeah. And we're going to do the same thing for this side. Guys, make sure you use alcohol to wipe off the excessive glue and makeup right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wipe off the excessive glue and makeup. So yeah, I took out my edges. Now I'm gonna use the wax stick and put it right here. Right here. I use the hot comb to put it back. Cause you know, your girl here got to be sleek. Your girl here have to be natural. So I'm gonna do this side first. You hot, man, you hot. My hair isn't going to be back, you know, it's just that I want it to like my, you know, it's gonna come down like this. Just follow these steps, guys. You see that look? It's gonna come like that. It's supposed to give natural. We are going to do the next side. So yeah, As you can see. Oh, your girl is giving scalp. It's giving natural, don't it? I know. Use the wax it down and hot comb it. The back is the back also. I'm not finished just yet, but then I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna use the styling gel to do my edges. Here. So y'all, this is the finishing look. It's giving scalp, baby. It's giving scalp. This is the finishing look on how to install a lace front. Yeah. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, watch the ads, click that notification bell so when I drop a new video you get notified. We're on the road to 10k, and I just want to say thank you guys for letting me reach 7,000 subscribers. So you don't know. That's key royalty. I will be giving away a big gift when I reach 10k subscribers. So remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, watch the ads.